I heard about the Kelly Stroh Scholarship and didn't want to pass on the once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. As a first-generation student, it meant a lot to my family and I.
Kelly Stroh in general has helped me in so many ways. Being able to graduate without debt, being able to get my books paid for, having a support system, and having no worries for my parents is such a huge blessing.
Being a part of this program has been an amazing experience for me, not only because of the resources that are provided, but also because of all the friendly faces that I see every day.
These 5 easy steps can change your life. Step 1, doing your FAFSA. Step 2, filling out your application. Step 3, writing your essay. Step 4, film your video. And step 5, sitting down for an interview.
Kelly Stroh has supported me through financial and support means through education. Now I am able to just have fun and focus on my studies here at FAU and enjoy campus life and all that FAU has to offer.